Hey guys, it's Alex here from Homey. In this video, I want to show you how to pair up your smart plug from Trust Smart Home, or KlikAaNKlikUit as it's known in Holland. Now, this is the ACC-2300. So if you have this plug, follow this tutorial, and you can connect it up in no time to Homey. Let's jump into it. I'm going to head to my devices in the Homey app. I can tap on the plus in the top right to add a new device, and then search for the brand name of this device. So I'll type in KlikAaNKlikUit. Now you'll see the app for KlikAaNKlikUit devices appear here. Here you can scroll through the list to see all the compatible devices that you can add to Homey. Now I saw that my smart plug is here at the top, so ACC-2300. I can tap on that and then select Connect. Now as always, Homey comes with detailed pairing instructions for the device you're looking to add. So in this case, I have to have the device unplugged, then I plug it back in. Now remember, for smart plugs, it's very helpful to have a lamp like this plugged into it. Then you get visual indication of whether or not the plug is on or off. Now if I follow the instructions here, I can plug in the device and tap on Next. Then Homey will ask, did the device turn off and on? And I saw that the lamp flashed, so I know that this is true. So I can hit the check mark. And now that device is connected to Homey. So I can see the ACC-2300 show up here on my devices overview. Right from here, I can tap on it to turn the device on, tap on it again to turn it back off, hold on the device to have a couple more options. In this case, it's a smart plug, so I only have on and off. But right from here, if I swipe to the right, I can also create a flow for this device. And flows is where stuff gets interesting. So with a flow, you can have this plug become a part of your smart home. You can add it to flows that you have running for, let's say, the lights in your living room. If you want to add a lamp like this, so a standing lamp or a desk lamp, with a smart plug, you can easily add this to the rest of your living room and have the light turn on when you want it to.